haven't come to the stage to discuss about that part related with railway. Yeah, maybe as a time will come, if railway is in place, then this is that we have to do. That we will see when time comes. I mean, as of now, we are planning to make our people understand. So let us see. It may take long procedure because since this thing is very new to our people, there is slightly sensitive issues. So therefore, it takes time for us to make them awareness. That is the decision of the government of India, not the state government. We will see. We will see. That we will see. Let us try. Let us hope for a positive first. And we keep awareness all those areas which are done too. So we will see first. We are still under examining, under negotiation, all these things. We haven't dropped it. The railway as of now, we didn't take a decision. So yes, awareness program is just happening from DC from time to time. And this for railway thing to first one we have to take all the stakeholders on board only. When everybody is on board, then we will take a call. Not drop, we are still examining. Opposition is always there because we cannot see opposition. They are lax of understanding. It's the duty of the government to make them awareness. So when awareness is done, we will listen from their opinion. Yes, if there are opposed, why we should go for it? We'll just drop it. Simple as that. But unless and until everybody is on board, government is not decided to follow. Government side simple as that. Unless and until our people understand, we have to keep dialogue with them. And yes, finally, if they say no to it, then we have to stop it.